The JHE40 CNC horizontal outer cylindrical honing machine, independently developed, designed and manufactured by our company, has been successfully tested and accepted. This machine is used to process the outer cylindrical surface of shaft parts. It is a special machine for finishing the outer cylindrical surface, especially for the processing of ceramic-coated piston rods. It has its unique advantages. It is suitable for the outer cylindrical grinding of cylindrical super long parts, can achieve the dimensional accuracy of IT8, the roundness within 0.03, and the surface roughness of raw 0.2 to 0.4 mm. It is the first choice for finishing equipment of shaft outer cylindrical surface. The maximum honing diameter of this machine, 2 is 400 mm, and the maximum processing length is 10,000 mm.